Alright, we're on day 2 of Mark's bike restoration. We got all the motor, everything hooked up after the other day there. New throttle assembly is ordered and on its way. Mine just needs one of those master links. And check out what we did the other day. Did a little bit of white coloring on the tires. What are we doing today, Mark?
We're putting the chain on there today, and we're putting the clutch cover, making one.
This is what we're using to make the clutch cover out of. So this is my homemade one here. Whoa, there. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Here we go. Booger snot. Best energy drink in the world. Love it. All right, now then. I don't really know how to adjust these. I don't get what adjusting them does. It doesn't seem to give it no more tension the more you screw it in or whatever. The only way I can see it giving it more tension is if you put a nut there, you know, and hold that spring back even more. I think that's really the only way to do that. That's that. Got an idea for this, so watch and learn. You want to run to Track Supply and get those bearings and we'll get my bike put back together?
Yeah.
Gonna run to Tractor Supply, get some parts, we'll be back. We're back!
We're back again.
My part that I ordered another jack shaft for this. And it wasn't supposed to be here till Wednesday, which is, today is Saturday, so it's not supposed to be here for another 4 days. Mark's looking forward to getting this twist throttle in there. We checked the mailbox and there's a box in there from Monster Scooter. And Mark gets all excited. Get up here and cut the box open. He's like, I can't wait to put this on there. And everything new, I open it up and it's my part. So, new bearings and the right nut this time for the jack shaft. Gonna put this all back together. And then this was missing a back axle adjustment, so we made one out of an eye bolt a while back ago, but this thing's slowly opening up. So we want to kind of tack this back, tack weld that so it doesn't keep opening up. So that's what we're going to be doing.
brake pieces at?
Should have been more parts. Wait, we took them off out on the side of the road. I should have Josh picked them up. Uh-oh. And we broke down. We gotta go on the side of the road to look for two nuts. I was riding the other day when I wrecked here, we tore them back brakes apart to see if the back brakes were locked up. And we left two nuts laying, they're special nuts. Anyway, we gotta go find them. They're laying on the side of the road somewhere. Maybe, still. There they are. Check that out. What's the chances of finding those laying side by side right on the end of the road? That's hilarious.